Wake up, sleepyhead. It's time to go. Come on.
Okay, I just gotta make coffee first.
Bro, are you kidding me?
What?
There has to be a better way.
Well, now that you mention it, there are several. Hey everyone, thank you for watching this video. My name is Andre and welcome to Hunt, Kill, Cook. In this video, we're going to be showing you 5 ways that you can make coffee while camping. I love coffee. Let me qualify this. I love good coffee. Now, some people think the high quality coffee is reserved for the uptown baristas or for the connoisseurs of their coffee bars at home. Well, I'm here to dispel that myth with you today. You can make great, high-quality coffee in the woods while camping, and we're going to show you the best 5 ways to do that.
First up is the Chemex, which is, for those who don't know, a large carafe designed to make pour-over coffee. This is the ultimate in brewing several cups of silky, flavorful coffee. However, a major downside is, as you can see, it is made of glass, which isn't suitable for packing into the backcountry, but might be just right for the family camping trip. Next up is Cowboy Coffee. Cowboy Coffee is really simple to make. Just fill a kettle with water, bring to a boil, and dump in your coffee grounds. As the coffee brews, the grounds will settle to the bottom, and the coffee is ready to drink. This is a dead simple way to make a bunch of coffee in a hurry, and only requires a kettle. The downside is that there is no filter, so you're going to get some grounds in your teeth. Moving on to the next method, which is the French press. The French press is easy to use and brews a really good coffee. Just put the grounds in the bottom, pour the hot water in, wait 3 to 5 minutes, and press the filter down, which separates the grounds from the coffee. This French press is really durable and doesn't require any paper filters, but it's fairly large and pretty heavy in the pack. A little bonus here is the Jetboil French press. It works exactly the same way as the larger one, but it only makes 1 cup. This is perfect for that solo hunting trip. Another upside is that it's very packable. The filter stems, the burner, all fit inside the mug when you're not using it. Another plus is that the Jetboil is really versatile and you can make more than just coffee in it. Our next method to make coffee while camping is the AeroPress. The AeroPress brews coffee that is almost as good as the Chemex. The bag contains everything you need to brew. Load a proprietary paper filter into the press, add 1 scoop of coffee grounds, pour in hot water, wait 2 to 3 minutes, and press it right into your mug. This is a fast and lightweight method of brewing coffee, weighing only 13.5 ounces. Unfortunately, it only brews 1 cup at a time, so it's not ideal for the hunting trip with your buddies. Last up is the humble instant coffee. Now don't knock it just yet. Instant coffee has come a long way and is the fastest way to get that caffeine hit. It doesn't taste nearly as good as brewed, but it's not bad for what it is. Just mix it with hot water and you're off.
So there you have it, 5 ways to make coffee while camping. So we tried to order these from least convenient to most convenient. And some of them will have better quality and worse quality, and you'll be able to pretty much pick out where that sweet spot is between quality and convenience. And for me, that's the French press. So thank you so much for watching. This is Hunt, Kill, Cook. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, click the little notification bell, all the things. Everything really helps us out. If you have any comments or questions or ways that you like to make coffee, throw those down in the comment section. We love to engage with you guys. We respond to every single comment. Thank you so much for watching.